Muko, being the General Manager for the National Audience of Zimbabwe, do hereby swear that the evidence that I will give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing else but the truth. So, help me God.
Are you the only one who is going to be giving evidence, or will you have any of your members of your delegation contributing as we proceed, or?
I will present the evidence, Chairman.
Without anyone else coming in?
I don't intend to have anyone assisting me.
Thank you very much. Well, that now you have heard the letter has been read, and the purpose of this meeting is very clear. I want to invite you to take it.
You can, Madam Chair, is the CP not going to comment? Because for this oath, we want everybody or anybody who is going to say something, they have to take it off. So it means your delegation is just accompanying you, giving you, you are the only one who's going to speak. Madam Luma will not speak. Okay. I think it's clear now.
Excuse me, Honorable Chair. Who is representing the ministry? Because there's an invitation to the ministry as well.
Thank you, through you, Chair. The ministry, the NRS made one presentation, and the General Manager for the National Address of Zimbabwe is doing the presentation. We've just come as supporting the presentation of the General Manager. But I do agree maybe with the chairperson for the portfolio committee and for the infrastructure. If there may be questions directed to the ministry, they may be in a need to take